In today's video, we're going to compare VS Code and Z. Visual Studio Code is popular, flexible editor, while Z on the other hand is a newer, high-performance editor built for speed. In terms of performance, Z is extremely fast because it's built in Rust with GPU acceleration. VS Code, on the other hand, is slowly for a bit since it uses Electron and can get heavy with extensions. VS Code has thousands of extensions and supports almost every language and tool, and Z, on the other hand, has fewer extensions but it includes built in features like AI and real time collaboration. In terms of ease of use, VS Code may need setup with extensions, while Z works smoothly out of the box with a clean minimal interface. Basically, VS Code is best if you want flexibility and a huge ecosystem, and Z if you want speed, simplicity, and built-in collaboration. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!